Statement wallpaper has become a powerhouse in the world of interior design, revolutionizing how we perceive and adorn our living spaces. No longer confined to conventional paint or subtle wallpaper, statement wallpaper allows individuals to make a bold, creative, and personalized statement within their homes or commercial spaces. History of statement wallpaper. The evolution of statement wallpaper is a captivating journey through various design movements and eras. From its humble beginnings to its prominence in different periods, understanding its history adds depth to its contemporary appeal. Types of statement wallpaper. Explore the diverse world of statement wallpaper, from vibrant patterns and colors to textured options and customizable designs. Each type offers a unique way to express individual style and elevate the visual aesthetics of any room. Benefits of using statement wallpaper. Discover the multitude of advantages that come with choosing statement wallpaper. From enhancing visual appeal to providing a platform for personal expression, statement wallpaper proves to be a versatile and impactful design choice. Choosing the right statement wallpaper. Navigating the vast array of statement wallpapers requires careful consideration. Learn how to choose the right one by understanding the room's purpose, coordinating with existing decor, and evaluating its impact on lighting and space. Statement wallpaper in commercial spaces. Explore the influence of statement wallpaper in commercial interior design, examining trends and understanding its impact on customer experience. From restaurants to retail spaces, statement wallpaper is reshaping how businesses engage with their audience. Cultural influence of statement wallpaper. Delve into the global impact of statement wallpaper, exploring how cultural trends shape design preferences. Gain insights into regional variations and the cultural significance of bold wallpaper choices. Environmental considerations. As sustainability becomes a focal point in design, this section explores eco-friendly wallpaper options and manufacturing practices. Make an informed choice that aligns with environmental consciousness. Customer testimonials. Real-life experiences bring authenticity to the narrative. Read testimonials of individuals who transformed their spaces with statement wallpaper, witnessing remarkable before and after transformations. Future trends in statement wallpaper. Stay ahead of the curve by exploring emerging trends in statement wallpaper. From technological advancements to evolving design concepts, glimpse into the future of this dynamic design element. Conclusion. In conclusion, statement wallpaper transcends conventional design boundaries, offering a canvas for individual expression and creativity. Whether transforming a residential haven or shaping the ambience of commercial spaces, statement wallpaper is a testament to the ever-evolving world of interior design.